back to my channel. Good morning, my wonderful people. This is Happiness Adam. How you all doing? I thank you for all my subscribers. I thank you guys. I thank you so much. My new subscribers, you're welcome. Those that have not subscribed, please and please and please and please subscribe to my channel, please. So guys, today's videos I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make Arab oil. You guys watch my video all the time. I'll be saying I add Arab oil, use and cook stew, use and do this Arab oil, Arab. So today I finally want to show you guys how to make Arab oil, guys. Very easy and simple. It's not even on the only Arab people that can use it, guys. Anybody can use it. The stuff you're using to make it can get it anywhere in the world. It's very easy and it's very good, you know. It's not all the time you feel like eating stew, jollof rice, any other soup. No, sometimes you feel like eating white rice. Okay, so if you feel like eating white rice, you get oil to spread on top. You fry fish, you fry chicken, you roast chicken, any kind of meat. You get suya, spread oil on it and eat. It's very good, nice. At first when I entered this culture, I was like, how can I use oil to eat? What is this, guys? But today I am master of Arab oil with white rice. Very delicious, guys, trust me, very delicious. So I've cooked a lot of food with Arab oil. So today I decided to share with you guys how to make Arab oil. I hope you guys enjoy the video and try it. It's very easy and simple, guys. It doesn't contain fat. Oh, it's too much fat. No. The little you drop on top of white rice, good to go. The rice will have a very good taste. Your cooking stew, you drop it inside your stew, you will get the aroma. Very nice. Very nice oil, guys. Subscribe. Let's dive into the process of the oil. So guys, this is what I'll be using to prepare the Arab oil. This is salted margarine, butter flavor. You guys know we use it for baking, we use it for cooking, especially jollof rice. But we also use it here to make Arab oil. It tastes nice, guys. I'm going to be adding some spices on it to prepare the Arab oil. You guys can try it. You can get this butter any part of this world. It's not only Arab people that use oil. The oil is okay, guys. Watch me prepare Arab oil, guys. This is spices I'll be using to make the oil. This is their spices. You can use any spices of your choice. It doesn't mean you must use this one, guys, if you want to do the oil. I'm going to fry it like 10 minutes. After frying it, I'll be blending it. After blending it, I'll add it inside the oil when the oil dissolves. Just like your cooking stew that you want to store. It doesn't spoil, guys. So guys, I have a tablespoon of flour there, and I'm going to add it inside the oil too. The reason why I'm adding the flour, just make the oil to get somehow thick, okay, because oil is too light. And I have a pinch of salt. You guys know that the margarine has salt already, but you need to add a little salt to give it more taste, just like your frying stew. So that's what I have for this particular Arab oil. It doesn't cost much. So guys, this is the onion after filter the onion, and this is the down part of all the spices that you put. This is the spices, so we don't need this part. This part is waste. Okay, good evening guys. So guys, I'm making dinner tonight. I want to show to you guys how my family eats their egg and bread. You know, some more people, they will fry egg with tomato, they'll make bread and eat. The house I work, it's not like that. Okay, they always love eating their local bread with egg, so I make the local bread with egg together. So now I want to be showing with you guys how I make their egg and bread in the perfect way they like. They will eat it with honey and Arab oil. They'll mix it together and spread it on top of the bread and eat. They so much love this Arab oil and honey, guys. We cook 3 times in a day. If you're not hard working person, you may not be able to do it. So